Kia ora te whānau. This is a new series that I'm going to be starting, which is just getting to know the tauira of te tohu paitahi ki te whare wānanga o Waikato ki Tauranga. First up, I got Matua James. Tēnā koe, my brother.
Yeah, kia ora, kia ora.
No hea koe, my brother. Where are you from?
No Tāmaki Makaurau hau. E noho ana au ki Papa Moa e nai nei.
Ka pai. And the main question I wanted to ask my brother is, why did you decide to join TTP?
Ko Ngāti Pākehā hau. So, full-blooded Pākehā, no Māori in me. But I'm a teacher, so I think there's a lot to do with, just setting up kids to understand that we live in Aotearoa and that we've got responsibilities that we need to uphold. And there's no better time than hanging out with Māoris learning stuff, so it's always entertainment, heaps of laughs, and TTP's just a really good way to get amongst and take it to that next level, I suppose.
That's mean, bro. And what do you hope to get out of TTP?
Oh, yeah. I got the year off mahi, so that's a big thing. Just rejuvenate, take away heaps of learning with me. I'd love to be able to just have a conversation. So if we take the kids up to the marae a bit, I'd love to be able to just sit down and have a chat.
Yeah.
Take a bit of that mana with me as well, I suppose,
Right.
and just show kids it's not that hard, and to put yourself out there in uncomfortable situations.
Man, Mickey, my bro. We'll finish there, and then we're going to come back in about 8 months. We're on our final stages of TTP, and hopefully this whole kōrero will be able to kōrero Māori.
Yeah, bro. Next minute, me rawa ake.
Hey, me rawa ake. Kaore kōrero Māori. So,
Mean brother.
Ngā mihi, my brother.
All good.
Stay tuned, whānau, for the next tauira. Hey.